Hello, kids! Today we'll learn shapes with this beautiful house. But first, let's add some furniture. This is the living room. We'll add a sofa, here's a real living room. People relax in living rooms. And then there's the kitchen. We'll add this fridge. You can see a lot of things: eggs, milk, chicken, fruit. Let's put it in the kitchen. We'll also add a table. It goes in the kitchen too. And we'll add a chair. Here's a yellow chair. Let's put it right over here. In a house, the kitchen is where we cook meals, like breakfast or dinner. The next room is the bedroom. Here's a bed, and we'll put it in the bedroom. Of course, the bedroom is where we sleep. The next room is the bathroom. We'll add this little toilet. It even has toilet paper. We go to the bathroom to brush our teeth, take showers, and get ready for the day. We're done furnishing our house, and now let's move on to the shapes. Let's learn them, and then let's find them in our house. Here are all the pegs. Here's 1, 2, where we have to put all our shapes. There are 3 here. There are 4 here, and here there are 5. Let's look for our first shape. This is a circle, an orange circle. There's 1. Here's another 1, 2, and another 1, 3. And a number 4. We have 4 orange circles. These are circles like the clock. The clock is also a circle. Here we have 2 pegs. And here's the shape. It's a rectangle, a yellow rectangle. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 yellow rectangles. Here's a rectangle. This one is a red rectangle, and it's a door. Let's keep going. We have 3 pegs. And that's for this shape. It's a green triangle. It has 3 sides. 1, another green triangle, 2, 3, and 4. We also have 4 green triangles. In this bedroom, there are triangles on the wall. Let's continue. The next one has 4 pegs. we need this shape. It's a blue shape. It's a blue square. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 blue squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pegs for the next shape. It's a pentagon. It has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. A red pentagon. This shape in the kitchen is a hexagon. It has 6 sides. Let's review our shapes. There's an orange circle, a yellow rectangle, a green triangle, a blue square, and a red pentagon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.